This is a really fun and easy dinner, and it can be customized in so many ways, but today I'm going to show you guys how we did it. So start by greasing your pan and lining the bottom with tortillas. You also want to make sure that they go up the side to hold the ingredients in. Next, we added a nice layer of taco meat. If you wanted to make this meal a little cheaper, sometimes what we like to do is we mix our meat with beans, and this helps add another filler instead of just using meat. Next, once you're done putting meat in there, you're going to top it with some cheese and then a layer of tortilla chips. After that, we added another layer of meat. We added another layer of cheese. Then cover it with tortillas and bake at 350 until it's golden brown. After it's golden brown, pull it out of the oven, put another layer of cheese on it, and put it back in the oven until the cheese is melted. Once it's done, you can flip it out onto a plate. Once you get it out, top it with some more cheese, cut, and serve. Thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share this recipe, and if you tried it, let us know how it turned out in the comments below. See you guys soon.